Hey guys, we're out here and we're replacing a roof right down the street from our office in Severn. And one thing that I'm really excited about with this project is that it's being done in the winter. We started off this morning, it was 26 degrees. There's an unfortunate myth that you can't roof in the winter, but the truth is you can, and the manufacturers allow us to, which means they set installation guidelines for how they want their products installed. We have to follow them if we want to be able to provide their warranty, and they approve that we can roof in the winter. So there's a lot of people that say you can't roof in the winter, and here we are on this roof and we are just about finished up. The guys are still down there finishing up a few things, and I just want to show you how well the shingles are already starting to seal to each other. Check this out. So I'm just going to pick a random spot and look at this. Now obviously not 100% because it's only been 30 minutes or so, but look at that. Like, let's go over here. Same thing. There's already, what you're hearing there is they're already starting to stick. So you can roof in the winter, and especially with these Owens Corning shingles that have an incredible tar strip, much thicker than any of the competitors, best shingle out there. You can roof in the winter.